man come and shop over there and give me a bad money. Bad money me get, brother.
Bad money?
Bad money, brother.
Me afraid of the money, the fact me don't want to thump in my face for no money, you know.
Bad money.
The man get God no, Satan no. Anything bad Satan no, God no know bad.
A true you talk, man. But he say bad money, so me I tell you, so me don't want the money come thump in my face.
I don't want a bad money, I must want God money.
I must want God money.
Bad money.
If a money bad, he will kick you, he will thump you.
So, but we get one joke. What do you mean there yard? Me sit down and me one man come here and say, Lifewayne, come here. Me say, what go on now? Yeah, man. Lifewayne, you can't go center, man. Me say, when he can, me go down there and me go back up on him mother woman. The mother woman say, me can't touch her and you're too powerful.
Talk of fool.
I waste my time.
So you're too powerful.
You're too powerful.
You look in and tell us all your room full and your kitchen full and your hall full.
Right. Can't say you're powerful.
Can't say you're powerful, you know.
Your room and your kitchen could have full too.
And your hall could have full.
So you think about that, Jim?
I just job work, man. You have God in you.
You just God in you, I just God in you.
I God run things.
Just money in you, you know?
Yeah.
God in you, you know?
Yeah. How are you name, Shelly?
Hey. How many man say?
I got in him.
Yes, man, I God.
Oh, God in him.
I'm big. Me meet one man. Me meet one man. Him big, sir.
One woman.
Him big.
Mama, where you go on there?
When me meet Mama and him
Jumpings,
come,
you know?
he say, me say, we want baby, you know? Me want a bucket of chicken. And you know, say,
Bucket of chicken?
Yeah, when you man fart in my house. You run out there, he sick me. One night.
Sick you? You looking at going to your kitchen? You would have sick in?
So me I wonder, say,
I want to feel the fire for your
you
kitchen.
know,
I want to feel the fire for your kitchen.
Hold on there, man. Hold on there, you know, you were not. When he cut apart, when he cut the poop, what could have happened to him, Shelly?
Japagro.
Could that japa grung?
Yeah.
And like all your lampshade, masha grung.
And me have one brother. I'm 19 years old. One man come check him now there. And the man, you man say, boy, them are going to make love. And when you man make love, a 7 grand you man take from him.
7 grand.
7 grand.
7 grand. 7 grand.
And nothing.
And nothing.
Nothing.
A can artist.
Can artist. And then no top can him. Him holler. Him ball. Me say, boy, no cry to me, no cry to God.
And that good for them, man. They run up and down too much when they have them good woman and yard them to spend money and take care of them woman and picnic. When man go run up and down,
He no give woman money.
He no give woman money.
He no give woman
so
money.
that's why woman take it.
Yeah,
when not no funny.
And that's so me time.
When not no funny.
And that's so me time.
And so you turn to that go happen to you too.
You no mash up the woman world.
And you no mash up the woman world.
Me no give woman money.
And tap the woman for and walk and give the woman money.
Me lie them and no work.
Rasta.
And them have to give me every time.
And them mash up the woman world.
Good woman and
I
walk.
make woman a ball over cream here and Jerry curl. Both Dan, Patsy and Merle.
So you remember, say, you in a house and wait till young man gonna work like your Patty and your
Indoors, sir.
I
in a
know
house,
for
you
sure.
old man gonna work like him, Patty and Pearl. But this a man
A
and
woman mind me. Sometimes I go in and I come and sit dinner pan table and me
A
near
woman
me.
mind you. Oh, so that's why your forehead so shine and woman shine you.
Yeah, because me a dirty man. Me love you woman mind me.
You
love you,
What I mean?
That's why they tap the woman them for and walk. And
Yeah,
the
dirty man.
them a feel
And that's why in shorts are dirty.
Yeah.
And that's why your shorts are dirty.
You know see what go on. You hear what he say? A woman a mind him. Tap the woman them for and walk. And make the woman a mind him.
sit down in your house.
A wicked
Tap
man.
up on bed.
I come in, me see woman a fire so.
Baby, hello, you hear what that man you say, sir?
I big as fish.
I wonder if you can mind me too.
Me say I big as fish me want. I big as fish me want. Me no want no woman. Me no want no woman in a work.
But a man serious man.
No woman when I fry no chicken no jerk.
And me come in and the pot no and the food no enough. Me no want it.
You look like you require free food,
You
man.
have to call for food.
You look like you require free food, man.
You can't take a boy and say you don't want call for food. You can't take a boy you don't want
Me not
call
call
for
for no
food.
food.
How will you make woman take for food, man?
Me not call for no food.
And you father Jim. And you make woman take for food.
No, but you do it. You tell me say me do it and you do it.
And not him do it.
Because you make the woman a mind you.
This morning me see for myself. When me come down there, you see woman can have this morning.
But Jesus,
I don't can mean can. Them laugh at the woman and gone.
so woman can do this
Don't
morning.
woman take for him this morning.
No, that is the woman.
And money, man. And you want me money and you pay me and make you woman come carry me.
Give me the money.
Give me my money, man. Give me my money.
Give me the money. Give me the money.
Follow the man dropping a hole.
You too lie, man. Make you lie, man.
I think told me see you want to find you.
That's why you don't give them.
Me, Jim.
You don't give them.
A 40 me see you give last week.
Me.
And this man a call away.
You believe him, sir?
40 grand.
A 40 grand in you man. And you man we want 60 shots.
Look for him.
You man we want 60 shots. When you man call. Your father Jim now. Boy, you man running.
You don't know me.
Jesus, I
You just ask you. You know me. You know me. You know me?
You know him? Oh, you mean? I know his story.
How long it take to go
I know him grow me.
No ask you something.
Tell me now, say you know him. I read a granny to him.
How long it take to go 40 grand?
Boy, I mean, no how long it take.
I give the woman 40 grand one time.
Still work.
I believe and I say I'm midweight.
Enough time one rob me father Jim and you talk to me, but me no want hear father Jim. Me never hear. You know
so woman rob your 40 grand.
Yeah.
And that's why you couldn't go say I cut them the thinking 40.
Yeah.
You don't listen.
See what
Me
I
never listen. Woman rob me too. So me and Jim woman rob me
Me love
last
for me,
week.
woman. Me love for
Are
me,
you
woman.
alone the woman rob?
You love for me, woman. Rob me.
Then try to rob me.
I love my woman. My woman not rob me. I love my woman for my woman not rob me.
You too show off.
Eh?
You too show off.
Me not show off, me a show a hole.
You too show one.
You may not know this ball off with.
Mr. Leg off a woman, man.
Off from me.
Mr. Leg off a
Man,
woman.
man, move and go, man. Off from me.
A few minutes later.
Why woman give man money?
I don't know cause it.
Why?
Because you treat the woman them bad.
Right, oh my God.
So, Ramp Ruff, why woman give man money?
Many where woman give
Yeah,
man
see,
bun,
I
you know.
see.
A woman can give a man bun because man cannot please. She can give man bun because of greediness. Can't satisfy. Ready eye. Enough way. And no one way.
I don't want to know.
Why woman give
The whole way a Rasta man, I'm trying to make you understand this.
Yeah.
We are praying now.
Yeah.
And we cause woman to do a bun.
We of course, but I mean we
Because guess what now? You find a nice woman out there. We have to take care of ourselves and have everything alright go on.
Yeah.
And here we are going to say no, a fear woman. Here we are going to say a fear woman. Here we are going to say a fear him woman.
Yeah.
I know I'm going to go up for nobody because nobody rock with my woman. Tap the woman for working in bar. Tap the woman for working in hairdresser place. Tap the woman for doing domestic work. Can't go here and go throw him down.
But if you are going to do that, you're supposed to support the woman.
What up now?
If you don't want things to go up.
What up now? The woman, you take your money, you know. And we tap the woman now. The woman there, now we are giving the woman little thing where we are giving. And guess what happened to the intern now?
Yeah.
The woman tap get it for you. So guess the woman don't know. Give your bun with me. Because I not give him nothing again.
Yes.
And you are giving something now. So that's the bun come in.
And look after that now, greediness plus on the bun, then cheese come in.
All of them know we are talking about, a bun we are talking about.
You understand?
The greediness and the plan the bun now do nothing.
And
The
you
woman
know.
left you again. After I left me and come at you. I'm going to take up your time over there so. And talk the same thing with time because of me and you and this man and time because the woman.
And here we know, no for we, man, we have a good woman, and we are. And through greediness, we stray and go take up one claim, say that they want the backside bigger, and him breast more stiffer, and him more look cuter, and him more browner, and stray, and take a whole line money where we give good woman a yard, we a wash clothes to it, and a support we and a cook with food. Go give woman a road we no care about we, and when the money done now, at that time we are run back a yard, and all them same thing there.
That's why your woman give your bun.
That's why woman give on.
Because now get when you get some look somebody what you are giving. Me believe that now.
Yeah, listen, conversation you're doing here. I lie, you are Rasta tell. I lie, who not tell.
Why woman give man bun?
I who no cause it.
They don't tell you the same thing.
They know that a man, I tell you, say a women cause it. The same thing a man a say, no.
In which type of way?
Because we not treat the woman the right way. We take the money out of the next woman out the street.
Woman out the road and buy hairstyle and
I'm going to ask you something. I ask you and Ramp Ruff something. How much money enough is your girl, man?
That's another problem.
Me I ask you how much.
That's another problem.
No, answer me. Enough is money ever girl, man. How much, brother?
100,000.
You know, give 100,000.
You ask him a question.
You answer my question and the man answer.
So what you tell him and say? How much money you give a man?
Where you come from jumping out, man?
Me I listen a long time.
Where you
You know,
come
so
from
that's why
jumping out?
you man
What's your name? Me I listen a long time.
Just like how you are listening with long time.
Where you come
What
from
kind of
jumping
man
out
you be?
argument?
How much money
Me
you
not
give you?
talk to you, Bertrand.
When me I talk to you
Me
now.
not talk to you. What you do, boy, you been saying jumping out
So me
argument.
I talk to you now.
And you, me not talk to you neither.
But that I will not talk to you
Me not
neither.
talk
I mean,
to you.
that is
Me
what
not talk to you.
I jump in a argument.
Cut. That's why I feel woman give bun now. How much money you give you, woman?
Much money you give you, man?
You don't even know. You don't even
You
know.
don't remember?
You don't even know.
I wonder if
$5,000.
$100.
you look like you're born December. You don't remember?
You know some fake one. Oh, you know some fake one. This year,
Me not on this
No,
year.
this year.
Me not on this year. But if you're gone, me will miss you.
You know, sir. You know, sir.
I mean, I want to miss you.
Now you're brother, man.
No wonder we are brother, man. No wonder we are brother, man.
no friend. Me, I know no friend.
You see it, that's why you man be about.
You Rasta make Rasta look soft. You make Rasta look soft, you know.
A long time you are there with me, man.
Everybody knows you're wrong.
Rasta tell me that.
Everybody knows you're wrong.
Him tell me that.
He could tell me this.
Someone that
He could tell that guy knows you're
Me
wrong.
are there with me, man. Long
We
time.
ain't farmer for my friend.
You tell me.
You know,
You tell me. I remember you tell me last month, Rasta. You.
and you know what I'm
Talk
saying,
Me
brother.
ain't farmer for my friend.
What happened? What happened? What
Me
happened?
ain't farmer
What
for my
happened?
friend, Jim.
What happened? What happened? Him not rate me as him brother.
You know,
You know rate me
Rasta.
as him brother. I'm not rate me as him brother. That's why I'm saying that.
What's
What do you
that?
got?
Tell me,
Yeah,
sir.
brother.
Give me a seat. With me, man, in a market. No.
I want a lot of me after all that you tell me. I want a lot of me after all that you tell me.
You want liar, Rasta man.
You tell me,
I know some interesting.
you tell me, say, go find some work and then get
Me
lump
trust
sum
him and
money.
say me I go boss him. Me not bad boss him.
You tell
Right
me-
now me feel like cuss him.
You tell me, say,
Cuss him.
You tell me, say,
Man, go on, man.
You tell me, say,
You want to
you,
call me here.
you and him.
Cuss him, man. Take back your phone from him, man. Take back
Yeah,
your money
yeah,
from
yeah,
man. Give back your
yeah,
money
yeah,
from
yeah,
man.
yeah,
Give back your
yeah,
money
straight.
from man.
Yes,
You make
Yeah,
Rasta
man,
look
wicked
water
Rasta
though.
man, man.
You make
Give back
Rasta
your money.
brother. Move on with the core Rasta.
Hey, he make Rasta thing shaky down, man.
Yeah, man. Move on with the core.
What do you-
And I tell him, say, me see you
what-
on the market and tell you
And
that.
you tell me that. You.
Jesus,
Brother, brother,
You and him.
Rasta
As long as I
brother.
live my life,
Brother, brother.
as long as I
You
live
know
my
what
life.
I'm saying, brother, brother,
What you
brother,
tell me?
brother, brother.
I tell you
Before-
what,
brother, brother. Before I'm sorry, brother.
Tell me, say, see, man, you want a car.
Cut, brother. What after brother and listen to me, I tell us now. Before I say we are brother, and I you no more straight. So we have to go push you out, give me back my cow.
We can't give her that.
Yes, sir.
give back your money and give back all the rope and the sibyl. And give me all the tree where you type on to. And then give back your money all the grass where you call him. Give back your money grass.
Because that cook already. Cook already. Cook already.
See all them man, you know.
This year, them man, you know, a problem.
Me and the people are hit you already.
If you never rate
you
as a
want
brother.
to get belly there.
If you never rate you as a brother, with a pack up your turn on back and throw down a mile gully.
Member.
Who tell you?
Me I tell you.
You tell me. I'm a member here when you come and tell me, say, Rasta.
I can't trust a Rasta man.
Rasta. A Jim
When
there.
them all
A
come
Jim
to
there with your
And
woman.
you tell me, brother.
mercy, me can't trust
And
him.
you tell me, brother.
And then me.
My brother, them
just
not
a
tell no
Rasta
lie
man
for me.
and going
Come back your call from him, man.
Take back already.
Come back your call from him, man.
I can't trust a Rasta man and them going.
And him see me and say, Rasta, me want one. Me tell you something. Me say, what I want? You know? Me know one something I go tell him. A Jim there with your woman.
Me can't look at me.